Prepare your watch. Begin by meticulously cleaning your watch to ensure no dirt or dust particles remain. Peel the film using the tweezers provided in your package. Carefully peel off the protective film. Water dip submerge the film briefly in water to facilitate smooth application. Apply the film. Place the film onto your watch, aligning it precisely with the edges of the intended area. Once positioned, gently press and wipe the film with the included cloth to remove any excess water. Adjust if necessary. If the film is not perfectly aligned, do not worry. You can adjust its position slightly using the tweezers, or remove and re-dip the film in water before reapplying. Secure the film. Press down firmly on the film to ensure proper adhesion. Wipe away any remaining water to achieve a pristine finish. Repeat the application process to the rest of the pieces by aligning it with the intended surface to be covered. Be patient with it, and you will enjoy an easy and an outstanding result. Enjoy your protected watch. Once you have applied all pieces of the film, your watch will be safeguarded with the finest protection available, ensuring its enduring beauty and integrity.